How to enable live voicemail on iPhone. To enable live voicemail on your iPhone, you will need to ensure that you are running iOS 17 or later, as this feature was introduced with iOS 17. To enable live voicemail on your iPhone, the very first step you need to follow is simply launch your settings on your device. From there, scroll down and tap on Phone application. Once you go there you will see live voicemail option, simply tap on it. From there, toggle on live voicemail option available over there and then you are good to go. Once live voicemail is enabled, when someone leaves your voicemail, you can see a live transcription of the message while they are speaking. In this way, you can easily enable live voicemail. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.